Hello friends, welcome back to Zarx Crypto YouTube channel. Today is so special where we will review one of the most innovative and beautiful idea project in the crypto world. So stay with us, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any further questions. I'll see you after the intro. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we are taking a look at Mansa AI and its token MUSA. So it's an AI plus Web3 project focused on building real, usable AI agents and with multiple exchange listings going live right now. So we're gonna check the listing on Pionex, BingX, and WEEX. Also guys, it is worth breaking down what this project is actually about. So the first thing we're gonna check here, the website. So this is the website of mansa.world, so you can find it in the description. Links here, you can check the first page, Ultimate AI Agent, and many more. So there's multiple features available on the platform like content, improver, blog, contents, and many other like ad creations, many other features available on the platform. All you need to do is click start creation for free, and you can create your account easily for free. Also, you can connect your wallet from here. You can use MetaMask or any other crypto wallet. So here you can check also the sign in if you have already an account. Here you can check how does it work. Select a writing tool, tell us what to write about, and generate AI content in very easy and simple 3 steps. Here you can check the ultimate power of AI. So here you can check all the features like AI chatbots, AI contents, AI images and AI voiceovers, AI speech to text, and AI codes. So here you can also generate codes like a pro. So there's multiple features available in one place and one platform. Also, we're gonna check the crypto side or the token side of the project, which is very good too. So here you can check what else is there: advanced analytics, team management, project management, only platform that you will ever need. So that's the main idea, like everything in one place. Here you can check customers templates, variety of languages, also generate AI content in more than 54 languages and increasing. So here you can find all the necessary thing to start generating with AI. Here also plus 144 AI voice over languages, mix up to 20 voices, SML and tones. So you can select the tone also of the voice. Also convenient and multiple payments methods available like PayPal, Coinbase, Stripe, and many other payment methods. Earn with referrals, enhance security and support 24/7. That's it guys, it's very good project. We can also review the Litepaper of Mansa. So this is the Mansa AI Litepaper. You can discover more details about the project. You can check here the introduction, the main idea and the goals of the project. Also technology overview, Mansa agent crash, platform capabilities, MUSA tokenomics, use cases, benefits, roadmap, business model, conclusion, and appendices. So here you can check everything from this slide paper about the project and discover more. Also, we're gonna check the smart contract. So here, the first token contract is on BSC scan. So this is the token name. You can check here the market price, the overview, max total supply holders, and the source code. Also here you can check the contract source code verified, so you can check it right there. Everything looks good, honestly. So here you can check also more infos, transfers, and many other details on the BSC scan. The second thing here, you can check also the Ethereum scan. So this is the token Mansa AI or MUSA. So you can check also many other details like the max total supply, as we already checked the transfers contract. And that's it guys. Also you can check it on the Sol scan. So here, this is the link. You can find all these details in the description. You can check the token address, owner, program, personal label, and also other security, first month, and many other details here. So here you can check the burn, the transfers, and many other details. That's it guys. You can join them on Discord if you have any further questions. You can also follow the Instagram page, Mansa World AI. So if you are an Instagram user or you prefer Instagram, also guys, available other social media accounts like Telegram, so you can find everything in the description. So now let's jump to the lesson, BingX lesson. So this is And the first post I checked on Twitter. So here you can check, this is the BingX Listen official page or official account sharing this post. Build smarter, earn easier. MUSA Listen Carnival is coming. Deposit and trade to unlock your share of 20,000 USDT rewards. So here you can check, this is the timeline. You can check the campaign details from here. And this is the official link of BingX trading, spot trading of MUSA over USDT. So here you can check more details or more tokens. So this is the chart, looks good. So there is a pump and some correction. No, I think it's a very good position to join. So this is not a financial advice. Do your own research before investing. And I'm not a financial advisor. Like trading involves high risk. So do your own research before investing or trading. That's it, guys. You can check also the WEEX post, the new listing alert on WEEX. So you can also check here the listing time, the registrants here, and read more details. So you can check the post replies and many other details about Mansa AI listing on WEEX. So here also this page here sharing more details about the event. So you can check the event period, about Mansa AI, and many other details like CoinMarketCap, partners, and many other details. That's it, guys. Here the final post from Pionex. So you can trade also on Pionex. If you are a Pionex user, you can find MUSA now listed on Pionex and you can trade on it. So they are offering multiple choices. If you are BingX user, WEEX user, or also Pionex user, you can trade no MUSA or Mansa AI projects. So now let's jump to the Pionex trading. So here you can trade on MUSA on Pionex. This is the chart, and you can buy, sell. So make sure to do your own research, check out their website and community leaks, and let me know in the comments what you think about this project, and also if you like this type of projects which combining AI and Web3, so I can share more content like this. I'll see you in the next videos.